raining. I already took a load of shred. Now I'm taking a small load of non-ferrous. I'm gonna keep it cleaning, and we're gonna see what we weigh, what we get paid, and try to make it before they go out to lunch at 12:30, 15 minutes. All right, guys, let me try. Look at these guys. Let's go see what we get. It's not much, but I'm cleaning my yard, and we'll see what we get. It's all right here. There's motors on there. Raining. Okay. This is what I got. Brass is at 230. Stainless, 20 cents. Aluminum, clean. It was those from the fans, the blades from the AC fans, the ones that were aluminum. Number 1 copper was at 335. Stainless breakage, which one of the sinks were the metal part, I didn't take it out, and I should have. I would have got half more, or actually not half more. What I'm looking at, 5 cents. Yeah, this is at 20 when it's clean, and 15. Yeah, poly. Electric motors 23. Number 2 electric motors 70 for the grand total of 66.52. Yeah, pays to scrap, and I guess to save non-ferrous. Since it's raining, I was able to take this and a little bit of thin shred this morning, and yeah, pays to scrap. Let's go, keep scrappy, y'all. Peace.